Most people believe muscle is built through constant motion. More reps, more sweat, more noise. But real growth does not come from movement alone. It comes from tension you cannot escape. When there is no momentum to save you, no bouncing out of the bottom, no rushing through discomfort. That is where strength is forged. Isometric training doesn't look flashy. It doesn't draw attention. It doesn't inflate the ego. But it traps you inside effort. And when effort has no exit, your body adapts fast. Here are 5 powerful isometric holds, the same exercises, presented with a different structure and energy, designed to build dense muscle, stronger joints, and unshakable discipline. First, the horse stance hold. It may look simple at first glance. Feet set wide, hips dropped low. But within seconds, the fire begins. Your thighs start to shake, your hips tighten, and your lower back whispers for relief. This is where the work truly begins. Keep your spine tall, chest lifted, knees pressing outward, and weight balanced evenly through your feet. No shifting, no rising, no shortcuts. You remain still in a position your body wants to escape. The longer you stay, the more your legs transform. This hold doesn't just build quads and glutes, it builds patience. It teaches you to breathe calmly while discomfort grows louder. Second, the hollow body hold. Lying on the floor might feel like rest, but this position quickly proves otherwise. Extend your arms overhead, lift your legs slightly off the ground, and press your lower back firmly into the floor. Your ribs stay tucked, your core braced without over-tensing. As your abs begin to tremble and your lower back fights to arch, control becomes everything. There is no swinging, no momentum, only structure. This hold builds deep core stability, the kind that protects your spine, strengthens your posture, and supports every lift, run, or jump you perform. It trains discipline in stillness and control under fatigue. Third, the dead hang. Grab a pull-up bar and hang. Sounds easy, until gravity reminds you who is in charge. Your grip slowly weakens, your forearms burn, your shoulders fatigue. But proper form changes everything. Keep your shoulders slightly engaged, chest open, and body still. No swinging, no kicking, just pure support of your body weight. This exercise strengthens your hands, wrists, shoulders, and connective tissue. More importantly, it teaches calmness while under load. You learn to relax without quitting. You learn to endure without panic. That is real resilience. Fourth, the mid-range push-up hold. Lower yourself halfway down and freeze. Right there, where most people rush through, you stop. Your chest tightens, your triceps shake, and your shoulders demand relief. Maintain a straight line from head to heels. Keep your core tight and elbows controlled. Don't flare them out. Don't let your hips sag. You are suspended between strength and failure, and you choose to stay. This position builds power exactly where weakness often hides. It reinforces joint stability and muscular control. It develops strength that carries into pressing movements and everyday tasks alike. Holding here builds confidence under pressure. Fifth, the calf raise hold at the top. Rise onto your toes and stay there. It seems small, almost insignificant, but balance quickly becomes a challenge. Your calves contract hard. Your ankles work overtime to stabilize. Keep your heels high, weight pressing through the big toe, posture tall and steady. No rocking forward or backward, no leaning, just control. This hold strengthens your lower legs, improves ankle stability, and builds endurance that supports walking, running, and jumping. It also trains attention to detail, because the smallest shifts break the position. These 5 holds may not create noise in the gym. They won't attract crowds, but they will change you. They force you to confront the exact moment when quitting feels reasonable. And in that moment, you decide who you are becoming. Progress with patience. Add time slowly. Never sacrifice form for seconds. Protect technique more than ego. Because strength built through stillness carries differently. It is quiet, but powerful. Controlled, but relentless. Muscle does not only grow through movement, it grows when tension stays constant, when pressure cannot be escaped, when you remain steady while everything inside you wants relief. Train with intention. Stay locked in. Hold longer than your excuses. And build the kind of strength that stays solid, no matter the pressure.